Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see a small introduction about Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's go to the Cisco Packet Tracer. So before entering into the Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to log in the login again. So I keep it 30 days. So here you have to log in with your mail. After login, this message will appear. Then you have to close it and you can enter into the software. So if you want to learn about networking, this is the software you have to know for your practice. Here it will give you a virtual interface to simulate your network with networking devices such as hubs, switches and routers, etc. When you are learning with this software, you can get a brief idea about networking devices and its functions. So here you can get the devices for your simulation. So this is the networking devices. So this is router. So you can drag it here and you can change the component here. Here it's the switch. So you can hit here and this is up. So if you want to you can use this kind of networking devices. Then these are the end devices like PCs, laptops, mobile phones. So you can get this kind of end devices here. So you can get components and connections and other things also. So in the first I'm going to show how to connect these devices. So here are the different kind of connections are available. So if you don't know about the ports in the router and switches, you don't know how to connect the cables. So what cable is preferable for between switches and routers? Sometimes you have to know, sometimes you don't know. So for that you can use this connection. So it will automatically detect the ports and connect the cables. So you can use this also. So according to that you can make the connection and you can change the device IP address and other things you can change. We will see a simple LAN connection in the next video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.